Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and color name. Orange color, peach pink color, white color, dark green color, light green color, purple color, brown color, yellow color, pink color, black color, red color, gray color, sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Orange color. A for alligator. Yellow color. B for balloon. Purple color. C for cat. Peach pink color. D for dog. Light green color. E for elephant. Red color. F for fish. Dark green color. G for grapes. Orange color. H for hand. Yellow color. I for igloo. Purple color. G for jug. Pink color. K for kite. Light green color. L for leaf. Red color. M for mango. Dark green color. N for nose. Orange color. O for octopus. Yellow color. P for pencil. Purple color. Q for queen. Pink color. R for rain. Light green color. S for sunflower. Red color. T for tree. Dark green color. U for unicorn. Orange color. V for fan. Yellow color. W for watch. Purple color. X for X-ray. Pink color. Y for yak. Light green color. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.